Celebrating corporate milestones with unique decorated apparel. Decorated apparel is an excellent way to celebrate corporate anniversaries. Promoting the number of years in business tells customers that the company is experienced and trustworthy. For example, this eye-catching premium quarter zip fleece features a large laser applique logo displaying the company's established date, 1950, across the chest, with the company's primary logo embroidered on the sleeve. Apparel like this anniversary-themed pullover is an excellent way to gain new customers and strengthen existing relationships. Identifying companies with upcoming corporate milestones is easier than you might think. If you subtract 100 from the year 2019, then you know that the company founded in the year 1919 will soon be celebrating a 100th year anniversary. You can repeat the same process with 75, 50, 25, and so on. You can then build a prospect list by running a Google search for businesses founded in or established in 1919, as well as each milestone year. Be sure to add in extra keywords, such as your state, to help return more relevant search results. When it comes to making your pitch to potential prospects, be sure to have your supplier create virtual presentations of your ideas so you can show the client something tangible. If you follow these steps, you can be sure that the client will love the thought and creativity that went into your presentation. They may even reward you with an order. Good luck.